good morning.
Good morning.
It's that day. Yeah, we're in Port Canaveral, getting ready to get on the Venezia for how many days?
14 days.
14 days. Going down to Lesser Antilles, down to Barbados, Grenada, Antigua, Tortola, St. Martin, St. Thomas, you know, all the saints down there.
Yeah, and we're going way far south.
So, yep. So, anyway, getting ready to board. Everybody's already started boarding. We got here a little bit late today. And we're going to get on the ship and we'll bring it to you.
Yeah.
All right. And then we paid for the parking place that someone else had already paid for when we got here. So, pretty cool.
Go.
What a ripoff.
Yeah.
See you on the ship. That's a lot of food. 2 weeks worth. A lot of food. Italian style. All right, where are we going?
We're going
on board.
Venezia, 14 days.
Not sure why they're doing this. One gangway open. We're in the back of the ship, into the aft, and that one's closed, and we gotta walk all the way to the front to go to the back. Oh boy. All right, so here we go. Say bye to the land side, and here we go. Freezing cold in here. There she goes. There she goes.
Here we go, 2 weeks. It's cold out here now.
It's freezing in here. They got these air conditioners blowing. Got a hung meat in there. And she is officially on board. All right, we made it finally. All right.
We can wait for Crystal here.
Yep. All right, laid out pretty much like the Vista. It is a Vista class ship. All right, we're gonna wait for them, go get our muster drill out of the way, and just get this party started.
And get some lunch.
Get some lunch. So deck 10 aft on the Venezia. This is the pool, not very big. And this is the view. A couple of hot tubs, some poles, some chairs, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna go see if we can find Kevin up on top deck.
idea for this cruise, and we're very excited to see where our table is and have a great dinner.
Table 121.
Table
All right, so you know how you have to go around the lobby.
Yeah,
to
this
get
is so
there.
pretty.
So we're heading there now.
Okay.
All right, we'll bring it to you, and we'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
tomato soup.
You wish what? Oh, go
That guy. He got tomato soup. I got tomato soup. And we don't have a clue what Terry got. Terry got the Cobb salad. Look at her dressing it up for an appetizer.
Yep.
And then I got also a chicken and rice soup. I'm a soup eater, love soup. I got the barbecue salmon. Terry got the... What are those, babe?
Short ribs.
Short ribs. They don't look short to me. They look pretty big. And they got nothing. You got the dieter's platter.
Well, they forgot to bring me mine.
And ended up getting the short ribs.
But I wanted to have the salad first.
And you got the salad. Cobb salad.
Well, you got a big salad.
All right, so we got our food. Now, one of the things that we're wondering about is this is a 14-day cruise. Usually they only have a menu for 7 days. Are they going to repeat it?
Are they going to repeat stuff or have
Are
new
they going to
stuff?
come up with something new?
We'll see.
We'll find out.
Next week we get grilled cheese sandwiches.
This one here tried to eat her meal before we could videotape it. She got the cheesecake. Don't do it again. She got the cheesecake. This
No,
man,
I'm good. I'm
being
good.
polite, he waited. He got the cheesecake.
He was giving the waiter a hard time.
And I got...
Look at his.
And I got the cheesecake, and Terry got the fruit plate. Looks pretty good, man.
It's really good. It looks good.
And look, she's already eaten her half of hers. Look at that.
She got hers early.
Tomorrow, enjoy the Viking meal. It's beautiful. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Hey, babe, where are we going?
We're actually going, and we're
we're not going?
We're here at the comedy show at 8 o'clock. We got in line early, and we got really good seats.
And we're waiting on Kevin and
I hope
Chris.
he's funny.
Still waiting on them.
We
All
got
right.
him seat safe. Come on, guys.
You too, man. Take care. Check it up. They're playing above us, but it's not real loud like normal. She's having a good time. Look. All right. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, the first night, you know where I'm going. You know where she's going. You already know all that. You gonna gamble? Anyway, so it's chocolate martini night. Cheers.
14-day cruise.
14 days. We got 13 more of these to go. And we drink them because they're so good. All right, so anyway, we're in the atrium. We like the atrium on the Vista class ships, and they're so good. And the bartenders are awesome. I'll bring you a video of that in just a second. And then tonight, she's going to bed. Again, I'm going to the casino, and we'll see you tomorrow. Sea day tomorrow, and the sea day the next day, and then we arrive in St. Thomas. All right, so we'll see you. Oh, it's gonna get quiet.
We'll see you in the morning.
It's gonna get quiet.
They are really good, though.
They are good.
They are.
good. So she don't know how to play
I
it.
love them. I do know how to play it.
Oh, she knows how to play a flutophone.
I
How do you
can
say
play
that?
too.
Flutophone?
I can play that. I can play the strings. I can play organ. I'm very, very
Talented.
talented.
She used to be a strip. No, I'm just kidding.
So the best thing I do is actually tan. And then
You do what?
Tan. Racquetball
Yeah, she knows
and
how to
pickleball.
tan.
But I'm not getting into our personal life, but I'm also good at other things.
We gotta go.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
See you in the morning.
Bye-bye.
We'll be out at sea somewhere in the Atlantic. Hey, bye. Say bye.
Well, I already said bye-bye.
Well, bye-bye.
Bye.